Hello students, good morning. Once again welcome back to our online teaching of St. Thomas School Mohua for class 5 grammar. We have started our revision for unit test 3. Today let's start as per our paper style. Chapter 5, do you know verbs? Verbs express action, being and possession. We cannot form a sentence without a verb. Sometimes we use more than one word to form the verb in a sentence. Smita walks in the garden. One word only we use in this sentence, one word walk as a verb. Smita is walking in the garden. Here in this sentence we use two verb forms, is and walking. So you can understand that two types of verbs, helping verbs and main verbs. Helping verb as a to be verb form, auxiliary verb. To be verb form, am, is, are, was, were, have, has, will, shall. And that auxiliary verb means can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might. And main verb. Main verb means action word. Okay. Here Smita is walking in the garden. Two words, is plus walking. Do you know in present continuous tense we are using that to be verb form am, is, are plus verb ing form. Some verbs express action. Go, sit, run, crawl, scream. Different forms of the verb be tells us what a person or a thing is. I am Nimisha teacher. You are students. He was laughing. So as per that we understand a person or thing is. Different forms of the verb have so possession or belonging. I have two pens. I have red color pen. So has, have, had we put as per subject. The verbs be, have and do can be used both as main verb and as helping verbs. She is a pretty girl. Here is we using as a main verb. Rita is going to school. In this sentence we use is as a helping verb. Sam has a pet dog. Here has main verb belonging. Sam has completed his work helping verb. So as per that, I do my work very fast. Here main verb, I do. Why here we put only do? Because of first person, singular. He does not go to bed before 9 p.m. Here has a helping verb. Does, do you know? Why we put here does? Because of he is a third person singular. Next, Roman, whether state whether the verbs in red are transitive or intransitive. So a transitive verb always takes an object. The self holds incomplete without an object. The self holds 3 books. Here complete with an object. We understand with a complete sense. An intransitive verb does not take an object. The train arrived. Here we stop this sentence and we can understand its full meaning. So as per that, no object is needed. Many verbs can be either transitive or intransitive depending on how they are used in a sentence. The audience watched the play Julius Caesar. Here transitive verb, watched. What? The cook watched while the vegetables were being cut. It's an intransitive verb. What the cook watched. So no need objects. Okay, then it's an intransitive verb. Here they given one example. Winnie played cricket. Winnie played. What? Then no need to objects. So it's a intransitive. Winnie played, then what? Cricket. So the verb is transitive, depend on object. Cricket, do you know? As per that, next question, present tense. In simple present tense is used to express a habitual action or a general truth. Eagles fly in the sky. Honesty is the best policy. I already explained that in third person singular and singular name we use verb with adding s, es or ies. Okay. Now we go as per present continuous tense. We use the present continuous tense to talk about actions that are in progress at the time of speaking. Sonali is writing a letter to her friend. As per that, in present continuous tense, we use to be verb form am is are plus verb ing form. Do you know? I am, we are, you are, he, she, it, and singular name is and they are. Smita is writing. Sonali is writing. Okay, I hope you understand this formation of present continuous tense. Now we understand our further topic, present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used to talk about an action that happened in the recent past but is relevant in the present. It is formed by combining the helping verbs has or have with the past participle of the main verb. Do you know third form of the verb? Go, went, gone. Gone is a third form of the verb. Past participle of the main verb. Has, have as per subject. I have finished. We have finished. You have finished. You have finished. He, she, it has finished and they have finished. As per that, here they mention Mira has lost a pen. She is looking for it. Here finished action in the recent past has lost. She is looking for it is a present relevance. Okay. I have read chapter 9. I can answer questions based on that. Chapter 9. So I hope you understand this paper style, and as per that Roman also. Okay, learn by heart for unit test 3. Thank you.